We're gonna be climbing Mount Everest today, but not like the real one though, more like a virtual one. But I'll be taking my Twitch out with me to climb this beast of a mountain. So stick around and find out how many people survive with me on this journey. I'm gonna be real, only one survived. Alright. What the f is a kilometer? Yeah, what is a kilometer? Ew, who's that? Ew!
Oh my god, no way.
Ew! Bro, why am I built like this? Who is this? Is this Michelle? No, it's Luna.
Why are we still here?
Follow the path to the Chumbu Ice Falls, located at the start of Mount Everest. I got this. Surprisingly, we can't jump in this game. All right. Ooh, it's actually getting dark already. Nice. Oh, God. I almost fell. The climbing animation is kind of wonky, though. It's so ugly. Oh god. It seems like we lost a lot of people already, but that's okay. Okay, it's not so bad. The first trail is not bad. I'm pretty sure that once we get further into the trail, it's gonna be so much harder. Path to camp 1. Alright. We're so close to path 1 or camp 1. I definitely need to drink water soon. My water is almost like super low. Wait, can I? Oh, I can scroll out. Okay. Wow, look at that. It's a full moon, but it's shining like it's the sun. And we're here. Is this camp 1? This is camp 1. Nice. We did lose a couple people. But I think we're okay. Let's drink some water. Wait, we started with like 6 people. And then we're only down to like 4 people. That's crazy. We lost 2 already. I hate that you can't jump in this game. This is what I'm saying. We're off to camp 2 now. Hopefully this trail is not as bad compared to the upcoming ones. Because I definitely know the closer we get to the top, the more harder the trail becomes. Oh my god. You see that one up there? Warning, dangerous traverse? What? Serac traverse, okay. Oh, whoa, okay. Okay, it seems like it did get harder already. Oh, don't fall. Oh. Whoa, okay, I'm good. We're brave adventurers. We can conquer anything. Oh, okay. If you're afraid of heights, I say look away, because this is pretty high up, to be honest. First person view, okay. Yeah, I'm definitely afraid of heights. If my adrenaline is not kicking in, I am definitely afraid of heights. Like, even looking down, like down on a balcony, yo, I'm like gripping the rail to like not fall off. Like, I'm not like super terrified of it, but I'm like very, oh, who the f is that? Oh. Okay. We're good. We're Gucci. All right, one by one, please. One by one. What the f is that? I hope you make it top and fall your critical death after achieving your goals. I hope you get yelled at work today, Julian. Telling me to fall critically to my death. I hate how the stairs are like this. It's just sideways. Yay! All right. Oh god! Wait. Okay. We're good. Oh! I fell. That almost took half my health too. Oh no, I'm almost at camp 2. I want to make it to the top in Mount Everest. I need to make it to the top. I'm an adventurer. I adventure. Adventure. I need to go. Adventure. God, I hate this. Oh, I really hate how it wobbles too. Like, why did they make that a thing? Oh. God, there's more to climb. Okay. Last. No, there's so much more. Oh, what the f— Oh, I don't want to look down. Don't look down. Go, Cody, go. Oh, I see camp 2. It's right there. My salvation. Oh, we made it. Oh.
Has died on the trip. We will remember them in heart and mind.
Sir, I think you have the wrong number. Please stop calling me. It's 4 in the morning.
I don't know if this is exactly the way, but it seems like we're supposed to go this way. The rock formation is telling us to go this way. This trail is not bad. It just seems like we're just climbing up the rock. Oh. my god. Look at all of that you have to climb up. Ain't no way we're climbing all of that. Damn, I hate this. Oh my god, look. If this was me in real life, I would be hanging onto the rope that attaches to the mountain for my dear life. Oh yeah, I would definitely be like literally scared shitless because of this. Look how far that drop is. I'm gonna be, oh my god. If this was me IRL, I'd be pooping my pants already. That's so much climbing we have to do. We lost like 2 members on the first trail of the expedition. Oh, there's 2 different ways. I'm gonna go straight ahead actually. You guys take the different route. Imagine you're doing this, you're just like climbing up and you're just like the air's so thin up here. Cloud, I know you want to play with me right now, but I can't play. I'm climbing up Mount Everest right now. The noise you're making, I'm trying to role play as me climbing up the mountain. What do you mean? I'm trying to immerse you guys into this role play. Someone put in the sound effects of me climbing upstairs. I'm almost there. We're almost there. I'm almost out of oxygen. Oh no. Base cap is all the way up here. Jay, get the out of my face. I need my oxygen. I'm literally at 19%. Cody, get the out of my face. I'm gonna die. I'm oxygen deprived. I'm gonna be oxygen deprived. Hurry up. I need to breathe. I'm at 16%. I'm not even close to the top. What the I'm running out of oxygen. I need to get the base camp as possible. Base camp, where the are you? I know. It's I'm at 11%. What the I'm running out of oxygen. Oh, base camp is right there. I can taste the oxygen. Oh, I can see the light, guys. I'm running out of oxygen. The base camp is right there. Just take deep breath in. No, I can see the light. I can't take deep breath in. Do you mean take deep breath in? Base camp. We made it. We made it to base camp. I need oxygen. Oh, God. Refill oxygen. All right, we're ready to go. Let's go on the expedition. All right, all right. Oh!